Ну что ж, привет, дорогие друзья, с вами канал Углерода, Никита, и мы начинаем прохождение игры Sleeping Dogs. Ну что ж, поехали.
What the fuck's going on?
Dog eyes shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But two of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬, everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發. Listen up! We're hitting his sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks move to that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that Gatan in a shallow grave. 你等緊乜嘢啊？走啊！
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suha alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Ну что ж, хорошо, достаем. Поехали.
Get in.
Машина вперед, поехали.
Dog guy's gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun.
Повезло.
You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there. And we need Suha alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, we're going in shooting. This is Dog Eye's biggest moneymaker. They're not gonna give it up without a fight.
But you want me unarmed.
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun. And use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. As far as
Ладно,
I'm
пушку не
concerned,
дадите, сами найдем.
there's only one test that matters.
Держи бесплатно.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eye's drug dealers to prove it?
Походу,
All
можно
right.
уехать.
It'll be my pleasure.
Кстати, машинки отличные тут. Ладно,
All right, here's the
побежали.
plan. Go to the back door. I'll look around. You wait for my signal to attack.
Так. Интересно, здесь есть кто-нибудь? Хотя по-любому должен быть.
I know him.
Мне сказал.
Fucking get him.
Так, минус один. Так, минус два.
哇！你睇唔睇到啊？哇！屌啊！
Так, и минус 4.
Hey, what's his
Пошли
problem?
дальше.
Didn't you hear? Jin dumped him. Who? She's a hooker. Oh, how's
Who the fuck is this？啲留咗位未啊？
Так. Стефан вот здесь был самый сильный, но теперь его нет. Так. Жаль дальше. Так, там еще.
Hey, it's Winston's gang!
Выпали.
搭車，同我冧鳩佢！
Ой, по-любому. Тебе на.
唔見血唔好停啊！
Так, у него оружие. Блядь.
哇！你睇唔睇到啊？
我要殺咗你！
Это отлично. Он разблокирован. Комнату. Так. Аккуратнейший. Так, побежали.
Hey, who are you? I think I got one! Your motherfucker's gonna die!
Отлично. Так. раскрыть. Нет. Последний момент. А, я не получил. Как красиво. Нормально, надо было сейчас. Отлично. Да, да, опущу. Делаю да уж. Давайте. Все, да? Пошли. Не вовремя вышел, что? Где ты сел?
Fuck.
О, Господи.
Siwa, you're coming with me. Fuck you! You're not taking me alive! Stop! All right, light it up! Ah, come on! Stop goddamn taking me!
Ой, куда ты?
Fuck!
Shit!
仆街走啦喂 ！It's really burning! Run! Run! The dog guys is gonna kill you, asshole! Go, man! Guys! Help me! Fuck you! God damn it! Let go of me! What are you doing? Let go of me!
Ты пошли.
You're fucking with the wrong people! God damn it! Let go of me! Shit! I said don't move! Fucking cops! Let go of me! Fuck!
Что делать? Что делать? Погнали. Давай. Там быстро.
Are you fucking done? Okay, okay, I'm done. What are you doing? Shut up. You know what you just did? You're dead. You're dead. That was fucking crazy. Siwa. Nice to motherfucking meet you. From tonight on, your partnership with Dog Eyes is done. Take a ride with me. We can talk about the terms of your new partnership. You did good. Here, a little token of my respect. Keep this up and there's a lot more. I get the feeling things are looking up for the Water Street boys.
Thanks, boss.
Hey, man. Look, I don't do this often. But, I'm sorry, I was wrong about you. You show your true colors tonight, brother.
Ничего страшного. Интересно, можно килами повысить. Отлично. Так. Давайте это возьмем. Так. Теперь куда? Давайте пойдем на дело своей головы. Тут рядом как раз наша машинка можно взять. О, отлично, здесь же такси есть. Давайте пускай он довезет нас. Так, куда? Так. Так, сколько стоило? Дешево, в принципе. Так. Пришли. Тоже не сколько не переворачивается такого дела. Так, все равно по дворам. Это он сейчас можно будет вернуть. Ой, извини. О, я думал, что пособие было.
You can't be serious. Are you trying to insult me? That car's crap.
Let me fix my car up. Then I'll take you. Easy.
Fine. It's your funeral.
Окей. За время, да?
Not much. You? How's your dad? I told you. I got something to take care of first, all right? You coming out soon?
Отлично.
I'll tell you about it later.
Быстро справились. В принципе, легко было. Теперь будем следить, да? Главное, чтобы он не втопил, он не дал машинку.
Oh, shit. Naz.
Опа.
How's the race circuit, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy, Wei Shin? He's supposed to be Sun On Yi.
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day, talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away?
Sun On Yi's in trouble if he is.
I'm 18K, what do I care?
Ой-ой.
But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't know what hit him. Telling people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. He races me, they'll be scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Inspector, it's Way. Hotshot's gonna race Ace, and he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where and when?
Not yet. And one other thing.
Это была плохая идея. Ну ладно, ничего страшного. Что, заново? Ой, блин. Ладно, страшно. Вот этот нас, он же вроде этот с нами был.
How's the race second, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy Wei Shin? Supposed to be son on Yi.
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day, talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away?
Son on Yi's in trouble if he is.
I'm 18K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let him see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't know what hit him. Telling people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. If he races me, they'll be scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Yes.
Inspector, it's Way. Hotshot's gonna race Ace, and he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where and when?
Not yet. And one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Naz suspect I'm a cop.
Naz Singh, the drug smuggler?
You know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HKPD. He's the one that put us on to Hotshot in the first place.
The fucking guy is playing both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No. I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Naz myself.
All right, Way, all right. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.
Where did you learn to drive?
Так, ну все, что уже приехали. Все. Что теперь нам нужно? Позвонить или что? Окей, поехали спать. На машине, думаю, будет быстрее.
consists of sitting here watching you pick which car you want to drive.
Зачем спать? Ну ладно, страшно. Не наш. Как разработчики задумали, так и пройдем. Ой, повезло сейчас. Умеем мы парковаться. Вставай, высоко.
I talked to Mr. Chang's son today. He is doing very well selling real estate in Central.
Все,
Oh, good for him. Mr. Chang, perhaps you two can talk together.
Ложимся.
This guy wants in,
He's gonna have to show me some blood on his hands. You show your true colors tonight, brother.
You are an officer of the law.
Вы, как обычно, снится все. Так, сохранение. Куда теперь нам нужно? Окей. Так, давайте быстро переоденем его. Шляпу уберем. Мешки тоже давайте берем. Так, так, и часы у нас уже есть, да? Все. Пошли вы. Телефон убить? А, нет. Дядюшка по. Ой, как раз за машиной.
Mr. Wei told me there was an explosion at Good Fortune Manufacturing. Or fighting between dog eyes and Winston, I expect. Was that cockroach?
Hey, what can I do for you?
Давно на нем не катались.
Oh, I wish I could live your life. Just for one day.
Hello.
Wait, the Knox security company has refused to pay protection money. If you see their vans, hijack them and bring them to one of our garages.
Sounds good. I'll grab them if I see them.
Окей. Но не сейчас, уже. Появимся на грибах. Ой, да. Ах ты гад. Ладно, все, побежали.
Mommy, Pop.
Who's he talking to?
It's the die low, man. It's the chairman.
Mommy, Bagala. Mama Shando. Wait. You're coming with me. Looks like you're gonna meet Uncle Po. The rest of you, wait here. Don't do anything until you hear from me.
What's going on?
You are staying here like I told you. And you are shutting the fuck up! Got it?
Yeah, boss. Of course.
Good. Let's go.
Я так понял, с такой держим мы будем больше урона уносить. Ну, пошли. Ох, какая машина.
You're worried.
Yeah. You pissed off the wrong people, Wayne.
Look, at least we kept Siwa alive.
Yeah. That may be just what saves us. I'm gonna bump Uncle Po's car. Hoping that does it. It's not fair, you know? Look what I built. The night market. All of North Point, really. And Dog Eyes gets greedy. What was I supposed to do, huh?
Just what you did. Look, you can't back down from that asshole.
You and him
Если
got history,
машинка,
huh?
купил бы себе ее.
Well, me too. Listen, Wayne. Anything happens to me, you look after our people, okay? We're a family. Family has to stick together. Duke, Conroy, they're good guys. But they're not gonna be leaders. I know Conroy gives you shit, but you've proven yourself now. And he'll see it, even if he doesn't want to admit it. And do me a favor. Look after Peggy and my mom, too. This can be rough business. But one thing we got going for us is each other. Brothers, you know. I know people use that word a lot. But it means something to me. And it should to you too. Not just that we're son on ye. True brothers. Blood. We look after each other. And we look after the people we love.
Okay, Winston. Siwa told me he really works for Big Smiley, not Dog Eyes. I keep hearing his name.
Big Smiley is backing Dog Eyes, sure. That's where he gets the balls to come after me. Lee has a lot of power. Along with drugs, he's into prostitution, porn. He even sells women across the border into the rest of Asia. Whole thing is run like an industry. Very sleazy, but big money.
Winston, We can't just walk in there, not if it's as bad as you say.
We won't have a lot of choice. It's the way it's done, Way. Besides, you can't hide from Uncle Po. If he wants you dead, you're dead. And I'd rather see it coming, you know? You should be okay. But if I get my ass shot, do not do anything stupid, you hear me?
Okay.
I could do pottery.
Ой, ну что, пошли.
Fuck off, Johnny. Hey, Winston. What's wrong? You look a little pale, man. That dog guy tells me you've been throwing your weight around. What happened? You guys used to be tight as shit.
Is he here?
Nah, he left a while ago. Without a scratch. Doesn't bode so well for the other parties involved. Go right in. Have fun.
Uncle Po.
Ah, Winston. Come in. Sit down. Have some tea. And you, young man, must be Way. Winston speaks very highly of you.
Winston has been a good friend to me. I've tried to do right by him.
I like the way you think. That's the attitude that makes us strong. Loyalty, discretion. Used to be more common. Winston says you're the one who made sure Siwa was not arrested.
No, it was Winston's idea. He had to assert himself. Assert his position. But he didn't want to inconvenience you in the process.
Did he now? In any case, you did well. I want to show you my gratitude.
Uncle Po, there's really no need.
Don't argue with me. Do you know Roland Ho? He has a business collecting debts. The other day, he told me that he could use some help. It's quite lucrative, you know. Tell him I sent you. Winston won't mind in the slightest. Will you?
Thank you, Uncle.
Winston, relax. I know you were provoked.
Надеюсь, с Нисоном все будет нормально.
God damn it. I bet $1,000 I was going to be carrying you out in a fucking body bag. Uncle Po must like you.
Yeah, I don't think he has an opinion on me either way.
All right. I tell you what, you get tired of spinning your wheels in the night market, give me a call. There's more to this business than strong-arming street vendors.
Ricky. Your name's Ricky, right? I appreciate the offer. You know, let me think about it and I'll get back to you.
Так, куда теперь нам нужно идти?
Take the car across the street. Give you a chance to see what it's like to be in the big time.
Ого. Это машинка.
Yeah, you alright?
Uh-huh. Things are gonna be okay. There's gonna be work to do. A lot of work. So stay ready.
I always am.
Look, in the meantime, I'm getting swamped with this sweating crap. I'm gonna need your help on a couple of things.
Yeah?
Yeah. I tell you, it's easier to be a Red Pole than a crew. Let's stop by the restaurant when you're done there, okay?
Got it.
Hey, Roland Ho?
Who's asking?
My name's Wei Shen.
Ah, Wei. You got friends in high places, my boy. I hear you and Winston have been making trouble with Dog Eyes.
Dog Eyes has been asking for trouble.
I remember when I was like you, always looking for a fight, ready to kill anyone who so much as looked at me sideways. Here's a tip for you, kid. Don't take on a boss in your own triad unless you know for a fact someone else is gonna back you up. Hierarchy is the only thing anyone cares about. Always have, always will.
Thanks for the advice, old-timer. So, when can we get to work?
Okay, big man. 我睇你點做. Patsy Wing. Bad luck at Mahjong. You'll need this. Collect what she owes.
Отлично. Все забираем. Отлично, пушку дождали. Все здесь. Какие машинки нужно без экрана?
Wait.
Hey, Jackie.
Just checking in, man. I heard things were kind of intense. Wanted to make sure you're still with us, you know?
Uncle Poe seems to have a handle on who's causing the trouble.
That's a relief.
Look, I gotta go, Jackie. Gotta see a lady about some money. You're gonna pay up, you understand? Shit, that's a lot of muscle. That's the problem. You old guy like rolling home money, you gotta pay. I don't care if you're sorry. I care if you have the money. Hey, stop saying that. Look. Damn. Wasn't gonna do anything that bad. No. Next best thing, though. Got a car loaded with dope.
All right, you'll have to do. Bring it back here as soon as you can. Don't drive around in a stash car any longer than you have to.
Давай, выходи уже. А вот полицию дали. О, нам даже квартирку дали.
Raymond.
Shen, finally. Where the hell have you been?
Look,
Do you have any idea what's going on? What happened at the warehouse?
Raymond, do you ever actually read my reports?
Your reports? All I have to do is read the goddamn newspapers. They're calling it a massacre. If it ever came out that the police were involved, we're dead.
It won't.
Well, you can't know that. You at least could have turned Siwa over to us. It would have helped our case.
That would have put the entire operation at risk. What does Pendrew say?
You know, he's not your handle, Wei. I am.
Well, then fucking handle it, Raymond. Well, how'd you think this was gonna go down? Huh? Whatever it takes. You remember that? You wanted results, and you can't get them sitting behind a desk, nose in a rulebook, with a stick up your ass. Look, Raymond, I am doing what needs to be done.
No, you've crossed the line, Wei. I'm gonna terminate this operation.
You can't do that. Pendrew won't allow it.
Pendrew may like to take chances, I don't. And you are dangerous.
Fine. But before you go back to your office to try and pull the plug, go ahead and tell Pendrew that I just met the chairman of the Sun On Yee.
The chairman? Wait, you're just a foot soldier.
Well, this foot soldier has just been marked for promotion because I made sure Suwal got out safely. It'll be in my report, and maybe this time you'll actually read it.
Да уж. Дела творятся. Нифига себе пентхаус. Так, ну что ж, дорогие друзья, думаю, на этом мы закончим. С вами был канал Углерода. Никита, всем удачи и до новых встреч.